Welcome to Amaya, the Heavenly Valley and River Retreat project. The best project in whole of India, the farmland with all the amenities and infrastructure. The place where we identified and selected this is a marvelous place. We selected this place actually from Coimbatore. If you travel, it is anaikatti which comes from there. It is Kottathura. From Kottathura, the place where this Amaya project is located is Narasimukku. It is a heavenly valley view you will get as well as a river retreat. So what we thought is we wanted to do this project with some international standards. We have made pakka concrete roads, the revetment walls has been done. For each plot fragmentation we have done very properly. We are doing street lights in this, and the amenities what we planned is we are planning for a Thai Chinese fusion launch inside, a restaurant inside. Buddha temple is getting ready, Vishnu temple already we are done here. We purchased this land, around 66 acres of land, and we are made a pakka DTP and RERA approval for this. So in the initial first phase I am developing around 22 acres of land. So being a DTP approval, we got the everything proper. Meditation place we are done here. So with lot of thoughts and vision we are developing this. What will happen is, see, this being a tourist destination, this Amaya, this Heavenly Valley and the River Retreat project will be one of the best project in whole of India, because we knew what is happening here. Being a tourist destination with all this infrastructure amenities, once people, those who come here and want to invest here, we assure a return on investment also in this project. You can build a villa here and you can rent it out also. The minimum guarantee which I am saying is, suppose you are going to purchase any asset in the cities, if your returns is 1%, here the 3 times better the returns we can fetch for you. This is what we are planning here. All has happened here. Only thing I can say, any customer who is able to come and view this project here, Amaya, I can say you will be definitely astonished by seeing, because the nature and the view, the valley view, the river view is excellent. So I wholeheartedly invite any customers, any part of the world, just make a visit, come and see this project here, view this, value it, then you can have a clear sitting with us. We can say the options, what can be done, like everything we can discuss very clearly. Viewers, the place where right now I'm standing is a capsule pod. Customers, as we discussed about the return on investment, we are right now in a capsule pod where this is an option we have. Apart from that, you can go for A-frame structure villas here. You can here actually what the government says is you can go for 3 floors construction can be done. The ground floor you can do 3 rooms, the first floor 3, and the top floor you can do 3 rooms. So totally 9 rooms can be done, where the minimum rental income can be 5,000 rupees per day. So you can calculate upon what the return you will be getting on it. Likewise, if you want an instant villa to be done, like the capsule pod option is there. A-frame you can also do. The capsule pod, what we have done, you can just travel, we'll see what is done inside. You can see this actually. This is the cot where the bed we have provided. From here, if you see this view, you can see the Heavenly Valley as well as the river view. It will be marvelous. Like we have done a restroom inside, we have done a kitchenette here. If you want an instant accommodation to be done here, you can go for a capsule pod options. Otherwise, you can go for buildings also. A lot of options variant is there. I'm really happy and proud to introduce this Amaya project in this video to you. Make sure you view this, come to the project, value it, then we'll finalize. Thank you, customers. Thank you.